In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use customer accounts in Shopify. Customer accounts are a simple way to make shopping easier for your customers and smoother for your business. With accounts enabled, customers can sign in, view their order history, manage saved addresses, and enjoy a faster checkout experience. Let's walk through the setup together so you can turn this on with confidence. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your admin dashboard. Once you're in, head down to the settings area. This is where Shopify keeps all the controls for your storefront, checkout, and customer preferences. Inside settings, select customer accounts. This page is the command center for how people log in and interact with their account on your store. Look for the option to enable sign-in links. Turning this on allows customers to sign in using their account details. Depending on the account type you choose, that could mean a secure sign-in link sent to their email or the classic method where they use a password. The key idea is that when sign-in links are enabled, customers can authenticate quickly and get to their account information without friction. Make sure to save your changes before leaving this page so everything you've set takes effect. While you're here, you'll also see a choice between the newer customer accounts experience or the legacy option. The newer experience is designed to be simpler, more secure, and more modern, often using email-based sign-in links or codes instead of passwords. The legacy option is the classic password-based account that longtime Shopify users may be familiar with. If you're starting fresh, the newer customer accounts are usually the best pick for usability and security. If you have longtime customers who are used to passwords, you might prefer legacy until you're ready to transition. Choose the option that aligns with your store's needs and save your preference. After enabling sign-in links and choosing your account type, it's a good idea to verify the customer experience. Open your storefront and look for the account or login link, typically in the header or at checkout. If you don't see it, check your theme settings later to display the account link in your header. Then run a quick test with a customer email to make sure the sign-in process works as expected. That's it. With sign-in links enabled and the right account type selected, your customers can log in smoothly using their account details, and you can deliver a more personalized, efficient shopping experience.